Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today's topic, as you all know, is airworthiness of the aircraft. So let's get started. Okay, so keeping safety in mind, the aircraft is designed, it is operated, and also it is constructed in such a manner that the flying is completely safe, and then only an airworthiness certificate is issued. So it is in compliance with the state of registry, and annexure number 8 specifically sets out rule for the airworthiness certificate for the aircraft, but it is from the engineering point of view. With the help of annexure number 6, you can also gain a perspective from operational and safety point of view. So keeping all these things in mind, there is an airworthiness certificate that is being issued. ICAO has actually given freedom to all the states as in to prepare their own set of rules and detailed code of airworthiness. So all the states, keeping in mind the standards of the ICAO, the minimum standards, they formulate their own rules as in how and when the airworthiness certificate has to be issued. Then there's something called type certificate. So the state of registry, it issues the type certificate. This is to define the type of design and also to signify that it has been approved. Also, obviously, this is done after it sees that the aircraft is airworthy with respect to design. Next, the technical standards for multi-engine aircraft of over 5,700 kg MTOM. This means that the certificate is only limited to the multi-engine aircrafts over 5,700 maximum certified takeoff mass. So these standards actually include the requirements related to performance, flying qualities, and structural designs, constructions, engine, propeller design, installation, and all the other specifics regarding to this. So, the annexure number 8 has been divided into 4 different parts. Part 1 includes the definitions. Part 2, it sets out the procedures for certificates and continuing airworthiness of the aircraft. Part 3 includes technical requirements of the aircraft of new large aeroplane designs. And the 4th one deals with the helicopters. Then again, due to the events such as hijacking and other terrorist attack, certain special security features have been adopted. These include identification of least risk bomb location, strengthening of cockpit door ceilings, doors of the cabin crew compartment, all these things. The airworthiness certificate is issued by Directorate General of Civil Aviation. So, if any modification or repair has to be done in the aircraft, then the minimum standards and permit has to be taken from the Directorate General. Next comes the cancellation of airworthiness certificate or special certificate of airworthiness and its continued validity. So, in case that the aircraft ceases or fails to conform with the requirement of these rules in respect of operation, maintenance, modification, repair, replacement, etc., then its aircraft worthiness is deemed to be cancelled. Also, if it is modified or repaired otherwise in accordance with the provisions of the rules, then also its airworthiness certificate may get cancelled. Also, if it suffers any kind of major damage or there's some major defect, then also Dgca can cancel its airworthiness certificate. Okay, moving on. So if the Dgca has any doubt in mind that the aircraft is not airworthy, they can suspend or cancel the certificate for a period of time maybe, or permanently as well. Also, it might require that the aircraft undergo repair, replacement, and they can do inspection and tests. Further, while in the period of suspension, aircraft is not allowed to fly except when there is a special flight permit. Next is flight manual. Flight manual is actually kept in the aircraft in accordance with the provisions of the rules, and DGCA shall endorse the aircraft certificate of airworthiness of accordingly. Also, the airworthy aircraft must have instruments and certain radio apparatus and special equipments equipped on the aircraft for its proper flying and keeping safety in mind. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to my channel.